What if the thick stems of banana plants, usually discarded after harvest, could replace plastic food containers? Today, we step inside a modern banana stem processing plant to witness an incredible transformation, from agricultural waste to eco-friendly packaging. After bananas are harvested, the large stems are often left behind in the fields. For years, they were treated as waste, but inside those fibrous layers lies a strong, durable, natural material, perfect for sustainable products. Now, technology is unlocking its full potential. The process begins with collection. Fresh banana stems arrive at the plant in large bundles. They are sorted based on size and moisture content to ensure consistent fiber quality. Sustainability starts at the source. Next comes fiber extraction. Specialized decortication machines strip away the outer layers of the stem, separating long natural fibers from the soft pulp. Within minutes, thick plant stalks are transformed into clean, strong fiber strands. It's precise, fast, and efficient. The extracted fibers are thoroughly washed to remove sap and impurities. Modern water recycling systems ensure minimal waste while maintaining hygiene standards. Clean fibers are then prepared for drying. Drying is critical. Controlled temperature chambers remove excess moisture without weakening the fibers. Once dried, the fibers become lighter, stronger, and ready for the next stage. Now the fibers are pumped. They enter industrial grinders and mixers that break them down into a fine, uniform pulp, similar to paper-making material. This pulp forms the foundation for biodegradable containers. The pulp is then poured into molds. High-pressure forming machines shape it into plates, bowls, trays, and takeaway food containers. Heat and compression solidify the material, giving it strength and structure. This is where waste becomes product. The molded containers move through drying and hardening chambers. This step ensures durability, moisture resistance, and stability for food use. Despite being plant-based, the containers are sturdy enough for hot meals. Next comes trimming and finishing. Automated cutters smooth edges, and quality inspectors check thickness and strength. Every container must meet food safety and durability standards. Unlike plastic, these banana fiber containers are biodegradable and compostable. They naturally break down after disposal, reducing landfill waste and environmental pollution. It's a major step towards sustainable packaging. What makes this revolution remarkable is efficiency. No extra farmland is needed. No synthetic chemicals are required. Just agricultural byproducts transformed through smart engineering. From banana stem in the field to eco-friendly food container in your hand. This is the future of sustainable packaging, powered by nature and innovation.